You know how we've been waiting for Google to release its next-generation AI model Gemini that is supposed to rival OpenAI's GPT-4? Well, I have some updates on that, and they are not what you might expect. Alright, so, first of all, Gemini is Google's upcoming AI system that is being developed by its Brain Team and DeepMind, two of the most advanced AI research labs in the world. It was announced by Google's CEO, Sundar Pichai, at the Google I/O Developer Conference in May 2023. He said that Gemini is a multi-modal model, meaning that it can work with different types of data, such as text, images, videos, and graphs. Gemini is also designed to be scalable, innovative, and responsible, using techniques from DeepMind's AlphaGo system, which famously beat the world champion of the board game Go in 2016. This AI model is expected to be the most powerful AI model ever built, surpassing GPT-4, which allegedly has 1 trillion parameters and can generate coherent and fluent text on virtually any topic. Gemini is trained on Google's cutting-edge TPU-v5 chips, which are specially designed for machine learning tasks. These chips offer enhanced speed and efficiency, enabling Gemini to process more data and perform computations more swiftly. Gemini is also said to have 16,384 TPU-v5 chips, which means it has 5 times the computing power of GPT-4, and if true, it will be truly insane. But here's the catch. Gemini is not going to be released in December as originally planned. According to a recent report by The Information, Google has informed some of its cloud customers and business partners that they should not expect Gemini until the first quarter of 2024. The reason for the delay is that Gemini is having some difficulties with non-English language processing, which is a crucial feature for a global AI model. Pichai said that he wants to ensure that Gemini is proficient in all languages before launching it to the public. So, what's happening with Google in the AI world? Basically, we have to wait a bit more to see Google's new AI, Gemini, and how it stacks up against OpenAI's GPT-4. But this wait could be a good thing. It shows that Google isn't rushing to release Gemini. They want to make sure it's really good and doesn't have big problems. This could mean Gemini will be a high-quality, trustworthy AI. Plus, it's a sign that Google is thinking about how their AI affects people and society. Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO, mentioned they're testing it a lot to make sure it's safe. They're focusing on things like memory, fact-checking, and a technique called reinforcement learning to make sure Gemini is accurate and doesn't give out wrong or harmful information. Now we can be certain and expect that this AI model is going to bring a lot of exciting features. Like, it has the ability to generate both text and images across various subjects. This means in applications like Google Docs and Sheets, you could use a feature called Duet AI, which was shown at Google I/O, to add more creativity and depth to your work. It's not just about making things look good, it's also about enhancing your data analysis and presentations. Then there's Gemini's skill in handling human-style conversations, language, and content. This aspect is going to significantly improve Google's existing products like Search, Google Assistant, and Bard, the AI chatbot. You can expect AI-generated drafts for your emails, essays, or proposals with the Help Me Write feature, also showcased at I/O. And if you're into coding, Gemini's code writing abilities are set to make programming a breeze. Gemini isn't just about text and code. It's also a powerhouse in data processing and computation. This means a boost for Google's cloud products and services, such as Google Cloud Platform and Google Workspace. The model's expertise isn't limited to general knowledge. It extends to specialized domains like medical science, cybersecurity, and education, offering domain-specific knowledge and skills. Finally, for those who develop software, Gemini is a game changer. It will be available for creating new AI apps and APIs, with different sizes and capabilities tailored to developers' needs. Plus, it's built on Google's new AI infrastructure, Pathways, which allows for training on diverse datasets. This opens up a world of possibilities for innovation and collaboration in the AI field. So, as you can see, Gemini is a very ambitious and promising AI project, and I can't wait to see what it can do. But what do you think? Are you excited for Gemini, or are you disappointed by the delay? Do you think Gemini will outperform GPT-4, or will it fall short? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.